Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are talking about something a little bit different here on the channel. As you guys know, as everything nowadays is very convenient, as you guys know. The fact that you can, own your PCs, own your consoles, and just like power up video games is absolutely phenomenal. But the reason I'm making this video today, and this is something that may mean not a lot to a lot of folks. But the thing I'll say is like back in the day, we used to be able to own our video games, right? So, as time went on, that came to a point where that's not the case now. Everything's a digital license nowadays. I think even on Steam, like your stuff could be just taken away within a moments of notice. And I seen this article, well, not so much article, just I guess it was more like, I don't know if it was an article or if it was just Jeff Bezos saying something like to his team, but I found this post, and there's also been a lot of things have been posted on YouTube about it, where he claims, like, I'll show you guys the tweet, what I mean. So Jeff Bezos claims that in the future you will not be able to buy a gaming PC. You will only rent computing power in the cloud to play games online. He called it inefficient and predicted it won't last. Same people will instead rent computing power from the cloud, much like buying electricity today. And I don't want to see this day come. Like, I know it's just all prediction at this point, like it's just all prediction that he's talking about. Like that's what this guy believes. Like, I think a lot of his stuff that he says is a load of crap. But then again, if you think about it, our video games, we don't own anymore. It's all licenses. Like, you may buy disc and everything, but it doesn't mean you own them, which is a sad reality of things. It used to be just, hey, you own your games, you can play them, you have access to them, and that used to be great. Do I think this is true or not? I think you will, like, I don't freaking know, to be honest. But just like looking at this, like, watch, I'll go to another one, like same one, same post. But Pirate Nation talked about this. So Bezos until stated that he saw the old generator in some way. He sees local competing solutions today and hope move away from local hardware to rented. I still think that's a stupid idea, though. Well, it was for AWS, but still. But this is what Jeff Bezos believes. And like, if that day comes and that we can't own our PCs anymore, just like our consoles, that's going to be a very sad day for everybody. At least I believe so. It's just, I don't get it. I really don't get it. So honestly, my take on it is, I hope we'll always be able to you know, own our PCs, own our consoles, own our devices, and just be able to play games anytime we want. You know, watch movies on them. You know, do I miss the days where we used to own our own video games and our own and our own stuff and just had fun with it? Yes, by all means, I do. I miss those days. But let's face it, a lot's changing, but let's just hope that never comes to that point, because that will be a sad day for everybody if we can't own our own computers, you know, own our own consoles, and it's their stuff, you know? And it's like, there's this no, it's like, there's this like no joy in that. You know, if you guys think about it, it's the same with freaking movies. Like, we don't even own movies anymore, you know? Like, we buy a license to them, that's it. Like, look at the prime examples. Like, there was people who bought stuff on, like, say, the PS3 or the PS4 in some countries, and then, more than you know, those things you bought that you own digitally got removed because the license expired. And anyone who's put money into things, you know, bought things, should have a reason to own their stuff. But that's just my opinion. Anyways, guys, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Do you think that, you know, that will be the case for, you know, like PCs being only renting, like just renting computing power in the cloud in the future? Let me know what your thoughts are. Anyways, as always, Phoenix Army, I love you. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys do. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be out this week. So I'll see you then.